I forgot on Mike. Here's a breakout play. Oh, I forgot on Mike. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our game 3 of playoffs. Nice shot into the chest. Hello, Arthur. Okay, look at this team. This is a stock lineup. This guy scored on me last week. Oh, watch Eddie. Eddie will always shoot. Okay. Woohoo! That was a hard angle. That was a hard angle. He's going far side, but hit me instead. Actually, I didn't even know what it was doing. I'm gonna play deep. I'm gonna play deep all night. Love playing deep. Here comes Eddie on the break. Look at Eddie. I don't even know what kind of hockey tape is that. Looks like he got like some kind of street hockey tape. Ooh, a nice high tip. Smells about a goalie. Eddie's got like a MacGyver of equipment. Goalie mask, goalie neck guard for his neck. He doesn't care. He'll fix stuff like chicken wire. Break it out, break it out. If we get like 5 passes in a row, I'll let in a goal. Watch this. 1. There you go, Furman. Pass it, Furman. Furman's got extra protection on his boots tonight. So I'm gonna yell at him to block every shot. Got these Velcro them on, these clear protection. There's a play around the corner. Oh, I think he scored. Oh, Furman with the shot. Oh, that wasn't a shot. Pass. Big fight. Come on, Furman, shoot the puck. That was a howitzer, Furman. I can feel that. 88 mile per hour. Oh, what a shot. Jeepers creepers. Played that wrong. Can he do that? I haven't seen him do that all season. Nice trip by Eddie. Oh, Eddie's gonna turn it over. Nice guy, Eddie. Alright, 1-1. Let's go. Tee it up. Shot from the point, off the wall. This guy was my defenseman. That guy number black. He was my defenseman like 8 games ago. I don't know why they put him out forward. He was a good defenseman. 2 guys on it. Oh! But they both lose it. Never wear red on our team. Gives you bad luck. Okay, here's the owner of the camera. I gotta let him score a couple goals. Or else... Oh! Did you see that? Or else he charged his battery for nothing. That was a nice setup. I can't believe I made that save. That wasn't supposed to happen, really. There's good old Wilson. I think he's like 55 years old. Still playing. Oh, don't lose the puck. You only got 1 puck tonight. Allen's sick. Or he's injured, I think. Buffet injury. Oh, a nice trip by Bry. You can always count on him. This guy can shoot. Okay, I'm gonna go play deep again. I'm playing deep. Set up in front. No one there. That was a good play though. That's the guy I kicked out. He's got like 3 tricks, but he only has like 1 trick. So he's got 3 tricks, but he can only execute the first trick. Second trick is too fast. Watch, he's only got 1 trick. Oh. Wait for number 10 to pick it up. Nice clear. We should always clear the puck in our possession. Let's count it up. Okay, so we got it. Automatic clear. See? All the time. This guy, apparently, he's 50 years old too. Oh man, my rebound went right to his skates. Went right through him. Nice speed. Oh, look at him break down. Picks it up by cameraman. Camera owner keeps it down. Oh, right here. Who wants that? I should have let that one go in. Oh. Why did he miss the net? He was like right in front. That was a good shot though. I'm not even sure what happened. We gotta check the replay on that one. Here's Yu-Ching setting up Gene. Wow, how did that go in? How did that go in? 2-1, I think. Let's just say it's 2-1. I have no idea. Breaks it down. Who is that guy? Oh, pass it out to Gene. Make a pass, make a pass. Oh, Gene fumbles the puck. Don't fall for that. I'm getting tired talking. Darn, looking nice. Spinorama clear. Here's White with the setup. Let's see what White can do tonight. This guy's a shooter. Here's Yu-Ching skating down. 1-on-2. Oh, nice shot. Oh, nice. That's safe. Yeah, that's a save. That's a save. That's an amazing save. That goalie's been on fire all season. He didn't play last Wednesday, but he's been on fire. Picking up where he left off. Nice stick check by the Oilers. He's a good guy. Here's did he score? Was it that San Jose guy that scored? Who scored on me last time? So here's 50-year-old guy. He's got like, apparently he's got like no knees. Oh! Whoa, what happened there? Made a save and it hit somewhere else. That's my type of goaltending. I'm trying to make a save, but it hit somewhere else. Oh, nice pass by Yu-Ching to Wilson. Except Wilson's 50 years old, so pass is probably too fast. Here comes White's breakout. This guy's a shooter. Block the shot, Furman, block the shot. Oh. Oh, sets it up. Block it, Furman. Go down, Furman, go down. Use your feet. Ah, Furman's useless. Here comes Eddie looking for the guy in front. Here we go, Eddie. You never know what team Eddie's playing for. Sometimes it's dark, most times it's white. Here comes Speedy Wayne. Very deceptive little guy. When he moves his feet, it's like he's going 100 miles per hour. Oh man. Today's a very warm day. It's like a, oh, a nice pass in the hill. Except for what? Today is a beautiful day. It's like 25 degrees. Oh, two. No goal. Oh, we got some nice passing skills. This guy, I think this guy scored. Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't mean to throw that one away. Man on. Oh, here comes Eddie with the setup. Look at my left knee. Good. Uh-oh. Yu-Ching's got the puck. Here goes the man in red. Took the shot, took the shot. Nice save, goalie. Yeah, like 25 degrees today. Oh, man, I didn't even get to drink my water. Nice poke. Number 10 is like playing better every year. It's gonna be an all-star selection one day. Hopefully he'll be selected before he retires. Let's see White's breakout. This guy's good, this Colorado guy. I'm not playing the puck, my wrist hurts too much. I'll just crack it with my handy dandy helmet cam. Lay on the ice. Oh! Oh! Did you get that on camera? Colorado guy. Eddie with the setup. Oh! Shoot from the point. No, he passes it in the corner. He's looking to set up. See that? I just sit on the ice all day. I'm a pad on the ice. Because the setup in the corner looks like we're chasing around. We're just playing possum, man. We're just tying him up. We're intentionally not clearing the puck. Oh. There goes the guys in red. Turnover? Oh yeah. Okay. So the Colorado guy just took the middle. Nice stick by 10. Camera owner coming up. I got let in a goal by him. He got 2 goals on me last week. Uh-oh. Nice clear. Red to red. Ah. Can't make the pass, can't receive the pass. That's what our hockey team's called. Number 10, chips it up. Chips it up like 2 inches. Here comes the shot. Oh, nice, nice pick. I'm just gonna go low for every shot. And go low, watch this. Go low. Go low, go low. Oh, Eddie, what are you doing? Eddie, what are you doing?